Alegra full lace wig in stock and ships out in just one business day. Alegra is a gorgeous 20-inch light Yaki Spanish Wave full lace wig made from the highest quality 100% Indian Remy hair in stock in colors number 1 and 3. Alegra has texture added to mimic natural African American hair that has been freshly relaxed and Spanish curls added. The full lace cap is made with medium brown Swiss lace that has a stretch panel at the crown. Alegra has baby hair around the entire perimeter, and the hair density is 80% around the perimeter and 120% elsewhere. She is lightweight and comfortable on the scalp. Order yours today and start turning heads tomorrow.